Many people say that sugars are sugars, but why are sugars in foods better than added sugars? We get added sugar in processed foods. While both contain sugars, fruits offer a much better nutritional package compared to foods with added sugars. Here is why. Fiber power. Foods come packed with fiber. We slow down sugar absorption into the bloodstream. This prevents blood sugar spike and crashes, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and promoting steadier energy levels. Added sugar, on the other hand, are often absorbed quickly, leading to those energy highs and lows. Nutrient packed punch. Fruits are loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies need for various functions. These extras are often missing in processed foods with added sugars. Portion control. It is easy to overdo it with added sugars because they are concentrated and often hidden in processed foods. Fruits, however, have a water content that naturally limits how much you can eat at once. So, while the sugar in fruits might seem like the same thing, the presence of fiber, vitamin, antioxidant, and the way our bodies process them make fruits the clear winner. Body processing. Fructose, the main sugar in fruit, is processed differently by the body than sucrose, table sugar, commonly added to foods. Fiber in fruits plays a role in how the body absorbs sugar. So while moderation is key with all types of sugar, fruit sugar are generally the better choice because they come with a package of health benefits you don't get from added sugar. Doses. Foods naturally contain lower amount of sugar than processed foods with added sugars. While an apple might have 19 grams of sugar, a candy bar can easily have double or triple that amount. So it is much easier to overdo it with added sugar because they are concentrated and often very palatable. New Look at the way slower digestion, the way our bodies process the sugar in food is different from how we process added sugars. Fructose, the main sugar in fruit, is absorbed more slowly by the body than sucrose, table sugar, that is often added to processed food. This slower absorption helps prevent those blood spike that can be harmful to our health. It is important to note that while fruit sugar are generally better for you than added sugar, fruits can still be higher in sugar. So it is important to eat them in moderation as part of a balanced diet.